వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవకథామృతం తప్త జీవనం.
ఓం అజ్ఞానతిమిరాంధస్య జ్ఞానాంజనశలాకయా చక్షురున్మీలితం యేన తస్మై శ్రీగురవే నమః. The nectar of instruction, text 2. According to Bhaktivinoda Thakur, we avoid this type of association, Dharmadvaji association. Those who are sense gratifiers, gross sense gratifiers, hopefully we want to associate with them. We have enough sense not to go and embrace them. Those who are gross Mayavadis, not to go to them. The persons who can deviate, the persons who wear Vaishnava dress but who are not fixed in proper principles, because we are easily get attracted externally. He is a very nice. How do you? What is externals? What is internal? You need to guide. You need a guide for inner life. So Janasangha, another association, another division of Janasangha, is simple one. Those who is attached to women and wealth, those who are attached to those things. When we say women, for women man is woman. With that standing, for man woman is man. Now you can use uniform. Otherwise every time we use he or she, he or she, he or she. So those who are attached to the opposite sex, or those who are attached to the opposite sex, both are bad association. Stri Sangi, Sangi Sangi. Being attached to the opposite sex, those who are attached to the opposite sex, of the two, the worst to attach those who are attached to opposite sex, because all the conversation be the only of that. Directly in the company of woman, indirectly in the company of woman. In the company of woman, you may remember your guru's instructions. Be careful. But in the company of woman, you may remember only his instructions. Go for it. So therefore, of the two, who attached to the sense gratification is attached to them is worse. Then attached to sense gratification yourself. If you are attached to sense gratification is bad, but worse is to attach to who attached to the sense gratification, because you becomes a guru. Guru dictates what to do and what not to do. Life becomes miserable. If you attach sense gratification, you guru come and say, why you are doing all the nonsense all the time? Get up and chant Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Guru Maharaj. You can change yourself. But if you attach it to sense gratifiers, it is really very bad. Neither you can give their attachment. They will continually leading you on the path of sense gratification. This is Janasangha. This makes you unsubmissive to Parampara. Next thing, Laulyancha. Don't just be greedy, ardent longing. Don't be attached to pseudo devotee, attached to full devotee. Don't be duplicitous, while with other devotees or general public or true devotees. Coward Mayavadis are most dangerous. Laulya literally means greed. Greed is an exaggeration version of desire. One wants more and more and more and more, never satisfied. More things to collect, more prestige, more higher positions, more power, never satisfied. So unless one is greedy for Krishna, one cannot be free from material greed. It is not possible. Vayantu vitruptyamya, Uttam Sloka. One must be greedy for hearing about Krishna. One must be greedy for association of sadhu. One must be greedy for hearing kirtanas. One must be greedy for hearing discourses, being in the company of Vaishnavas, serving Krishna in various ways. One must do this. Greed also good quality, applying in Krishna's service. Srila Prabhupada always said, it suits for renouncers. Of course, renouncers not big numbers. He is sure for real Krishna consciousness. Other things are like mice. They sound nice. Karma, bhukti, mukti, jnana, siddhi. People have greed for these things. If you really Krishna conscious, suit for the renouncers. If you suit for renouncers, you won't succeed. Nobody is gaining. Of course, we have to plan to give Krishna consciousness to others in a deep way. The more your dedication could apply in Krishna consciousness, the more you dedicated to see that others become Krishna consciousness. You cannot do that, otherwise you are not Krishna conscious. The more you dedicate the principle to really become, one should make 1,000% dedicated to others' welfare. Then you can control your own senses. If you are only 20% dedicated to Krishna consciousness, 50% dedicated, that is not, that greed, that limited greed for Krishna will not be sufficient to win material energy. One should take full responsibility for seeing the dependence or deliver. So one is greedily preparing for oneself for elevating one's consciousness all the time. By this contact one becomes. Krishna consciousness is the Krishna consciousness, not the external activity. Is not that the distributed 1,000 books you will become more Krishna consciousness. You could be in sales mentality. What is our taste in hearing about Krishna? What is the taste in serving Krishna? What is taste in attending the programs? That will tell. We have that kind of quality to do that. So we have to be very careful on a practical, particularly many of us, Gruhasthas, managing families and so on. Be careful with associate with the Vani of the pure devotees. Fulfill the instructions which they given us. Then you will be free from material greed. When there is greed, there is the restlessness of the mind. Restlessness of the intelligence that comes, the consequences from the mind. So restlessness of the mind is of two types. One, due to aversion, dvesha. Two, due to attachment, ichcha. We have certain attachments. Our mind goes there. We have certain aversions. Our mind rebels. So you have to follow the principles of the freedom to control the mind. Regulated principles of freedom. Interestingly, these principles are called principles of freedom. Although they seem to be restrictions, rise early, chant japa, don't waste time, all seems to be such restrictions. Don't eat meat, eggs, fish, don't eat non-prasadam, don't gamble with your life. All these things to be restrictions. And generally people think that freedom means whatever do as you like. But freedom seems to be a greatest bondage. Having freedom is not a opulence, it is a danger. What seems to be very tight line, it is also freedom. Now I stop here this episode. I will continue in next episode. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे